Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the 7 best AI tools for businesses to help you boost your business in 2024. So let's get started. We all know that running a business is tough because you're juggling a million tasks, struggling to keep up with the competition, and just plain exhausting. But what if there was a way to work smarter, not harder? Imagine automating the mundane, making data-driven decisions and skyrocketing your productivity. That's where AI tools come in. They aren't just buzzwords, they are game changers. So let's start to unveil the 7 best AI tools for businesses in 2025. So get ready to save your time, money, and sanity while you watch your business thrive. Now, the first answer is this. The best answer to this question is that is the question of what are the best AI tools for business, is that it is not a one size fits all. Yes, it depends on your own needs and budget, but don't worry, we've done the research for you and we've given you the top picks. The first we have is ChatGPT. Now, many people wondering why ChatGPT. You've heard of it, you've used it, but if you've ever wished you had a super smart assistant who could write emails, brainstorm ideas, or even draft a blog post for you, well, meet ChatGPT. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend, but one who is available 24/7 and never gets tired. So it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Its versatility, ease of use, and everything makes it an unmatched. It makes it unmatched in the field. Just ask your questions and it answers. It's exactly what you need and it answers. And the best part is it understands your prompt in plain English, making it a breeze to use. And it's always getting smarter, so you can expect more impressive results over time. Then the next one we have is Jasper. And Jasper here is your AI writing sidekick. That's right. It helps you churn out high quality copy for blogs, social media ads, and more. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your disposal without the hefty price tag. That's right. And also, it's a fantastic tool for businesses that need to make a lot of content quickly. Yes, its high quality output and SEO features make it a valuable asset. However, the price might be a barrier for some. Yeah, it might be. Anyway, what makes it great? Many things. It gives you high quality, engaging copy, wide variety of templates, and it is great for SEO. Next on our list is Morph AI. Now, this is Morph AI. Now, if you want to turn your scripting professional sounding voiceover, Morph AI is your answer. This AI-powered voice generator offers you a vast library of realistic voice in multiple languages and accents. So you get realistic voices, you can adjust the pitch, speed, and emphasis for the perfect voiceover, and you can record and edit voiceovers with ease, that is studio quality. You can add background music and sound effects to your voiceover, and it works seamlessly with popular video editing software. So it is really great for you to use in your business. Next on our list, after this, the next on our list is Pictoria AI. So let's look at Pictoria AI. Here it is. This is Pictoria AI. Now, this is an awesome video creation tool that uses AI to transform your blog posts and script into engaging videos in minutes. That's right, in minutes. It's perfect for social media marketing and educational content. It is a fantastic tool for businesses that need to create video quickly and easily. The automated video creation and affordable pricing also makes it a very great value. So, and you can edit the videos, add music, and brand your content. You can also easily share your videos on social media. So it is really good. Now let's see. Don't forget to create high quality videos quickly. It's easy to use even for beginners. Next on our list is Grammarly. Now, Grammarly takes popular grammar and spelling checkers to the next level. It helps your team communicate clearly and professionally without whether it's in emails, documents, or social media posts. It is a must-have tool for businesses that value clear and professional communication. That's right. Grammarly is a must-have tool. Its advanced features and customization options makes it a worthwhile investment. So you get to ensure your writing is clear, concise, and engaging. You avoid accidental plagiarism, and it also helps you track your team's progress and identify areas for improvement. So it is really good. So next on our list is Grammarly. Sorry, Descript. We just finished Grammarly. Descript. There you go. Now, this is a powerful audio and video editing tool that is as easy to use as a word processor. It is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, and anyone who creates audio or video content. So, it is a game changer for audio and video editing. Its innovative features and ease of use makes it a valuable tool for content creators. It can help in your content creation business. However, the pricing might be a bit steep for some, but it is built for all creators from aspiring to professional. So you get to transcribe your audio and video files automatically. You get it? And then it is for teams and businesses. There you go. You can see that. So you have the free plan. Always, because like I said, it's a little pricey, but it's really good. So, and the best part is you can work with your team, I repeat, in real life. Help you correct mistakes or add new content with your voice. So the next on the list is the last one, number 7, is Fireflies. Now Fireflies. Firefly is an AI meeting assistant that automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings. It's perfect for teams that want to save time and improve collaboration. That's right. As you can see, it's a valuable tool for teams that want to get the most out of their meetings. The automatic translation and summarization features are a major time saver. That's right. So never miss a detail from your meetings. You can easily find key information in your transcripts, and you can assign tasks and follow up on the next steps. You can work with popular video conferencing and calendar tools. So like we said, it saves time, improves productivity, easy to use and integrates with existing tools, and the best part of affordable pricing. But the transaction accuracy can vary. Yeah, so it might not be that good. So that is all on the 7. That's right, the 7 major important tools for your businesses. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we could talk every single day. Don't forget to try each of them out to see the one that best suits your need. See you in the next video. It's a bye for now.